Hello YouTube, today in this video I will be showing you how to get multiple WhatsApp on an iOS device. When it comes to the iOS, it's a lot more different than in Android. So let's see how can we do it. For that, first of all open your Safari browser and search for Tutu app. In the results, go to the tutuapps.vip website. Now select the regular version and click on download now. Again, click on the install button when the pop-up appears. Then on the home screen, click on the icon which shows waiting. The application will be installed soon on your device. After that, when you open the application, you will get an error message saying untrusted enterprise developer. Then you should go to settings, general, and go to device management. In that you will find something like this. Have to open it and click on trust. Now go back to the Tutu app and open it. Then finish the setup process and you will see like this. In the search bar, search for WhatsApp++. Then click on the get, and in a while it will be downloaded on your device. In that time you have to do one thing, that is back up your existing WhatsApp and uninstall it. Don't worry. Then install this new WhatsApp. After you have configured the new WhatsApp successfully, install the original WhatsApp from the App Store and then you can use both together. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this, please like and share this video. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.